How to turn on location services on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. Click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search Location. After that, click on Location. In here, you'll find Use Location option. Make sure you turn it on from here. From here, you can give requests to other apps for location as well. And make sure the circle is facing rightwards. And this is how to turn on location services on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.